Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to create a new WhatsApp account on your phone. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now select your language to get started. I choose English. Tap Agree and continue to accept the terms and conditions. Enter your phone number and tap Next. Check your number is correct. If correct, tap Yes. WhatsApp will send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Sometime a verification code automatically get and start verifying process. If not, enter the code manually to verify. Tap Continue, allow access your contacts, photos, and media. Tap again, allow, and again. Add your name and a profile picture if you'd like. If you want to add email to protect your account, add email or tap Skip. That's it. Your new WhatsApp account is set up and ready to go. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.